Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to factory reset your Xfinity Xumo Box, full system reset and set up again. To factory reset your Xfinity Xumo Stream Box, navigate to System Management and Factory Reset using your remote control. A factory reset will completely wipe your personal preferences, sign you out of all apps and remove the device from your Xumo account. Your actual channel subscriptions or purchases will not be affected, but you will need to perform the initial setup process again. How to factory reset the Xumo box. Press the gear icon settings button on your remote. Alternatively, press the home button. Then scroll all the way down and select the gear icon. Scroll down and select system management. Then select the reset and update style. Then select factory reset or restore factory settings. Now input your parental control pin if you have one active. How to hardware reset without a remote. Disconnect the power cord from the back of the Xumo box. Then keep it unplugged for at least 10 seconds. Then reconnect the power cable. This forces the system to reboot and re-establish its connection. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.